Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Reliant Regal Restoration. This episode will be quite a short one. Basically what we're going to do is refurb the brakes on the Regal, or strip them apart even so they're ready to refurbish. Make sure they're not seized before I buy a kit and waste my money on it. So we've got the front cylinders here, we'll get them stripped to bits. Once they are done and they're okay, we'll move on to the back ones, which also have adjusters as well, so to make sure they're all free. So once I get all them done, hopefully everything's fine, and I just have to order a refurb kit for the brakes. There's also one bit I've missed, which is the master cylinder. I'll get it in a minute, and we'll strip it down as well, and hopefully everything's good with that as well. So yeah, I'll stick it on a time lapse and we'll see how it goes. Right, that was a lot easier than expected. Pistons all come out, and I've never seen a brake piston of this style. So you've got obviously the outer part, then you've got a rubber, and then you've got the spring load piece. I've never seen a piston in 3 pieces. Usually this 3 bits are all as one, and that's a removable bit with a hole in it. So this is brand new to me, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to get bits for this. But we'll move on to the back brakes and have a look at them. And that's the back brakes to bits. This is a style of cylinder I'm used to in brakes. That's totally different to the front ones. Slightly older fashion style housing. But no, should get a kit for that, no problem. Both of them come out not bad. Now it's on to the difficult one. So I'll put it in another time lapse and see how that goes. And there we have it, let me show this one horizontal. There we have it, the master cylinder came to bits okay. The outer piece that you'll all see, and then this is the inner cylinder that does all the work. Not a problem if it was actually pumping brake fluid even, out of there when I was releasing it. The best way to unseize them, as long as they're at the top, fill them with oil and let them sit a while. Then I put duck oil in the top of the piston, on top of it, chopped it down with a hammer on that bit until it would have went down the piston, and this was compressed, and then it actually was pinging up itself quite happy. So it was all free, worked perfect. So no, this will be perfect for the car again. We'll just refurb it and fit it back on. So the only bit I've missed out is actually these little adjusters, which I do know work, they just need cleaned. So I'm not going to do anything with them tonight, but there we go. The brakes are all stripped down and they just need refurb kits. So I'll have to go and look up my girl and part book and get them ordered. But thanks for watching, guys. If you want to keep up to date with the latest on the Regal restoration, remember to subscribe to the channel and like the videos to follow on the latest updates. At the moment, everything's coming together quite nicely. The chassis, I'll let you see it. I'll have to shut off my radio because I've had it go. So at the moment the engine's stripped, as you've seen in the last video. The head's actually waiting to get skimmed just to be safe. A slight scoring here when I had to remove the cylinder head, but it should be okay. I've cleaned up all the axle differentials today as well, so they're all degreased, ready to clean up for painting. And I'm just waiting for sheet metal to come for the chassis. But as soon as that's all done, this will be moving quite fast again. So yeah, if you want to keep up to date on all this, remember and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying the video.